The second county and second local catering company are tied to an E. coli outbreak.
As we first reported last month, the St. Louis County Health Department has been investigating more than 100 cases. Now 5 on your side's Paula Vassan reports that St. Charles County is impacted too. Paula.
Well, a celebratory banquet for Rockwood Summit High School and several other local events has turned into a health crisis. Today, a new lawsuit has been filed against a catering company in St. Charles. The health department has not yet named the caterer as a source of the outbreak.
It's much bigger than most people realize.
National food poisoning attorney Jory Lange is talking about an especially dangerous strain of bacteria. He tells us more than 100 people in our area fell ill, and 13 were hospitalized after events early last month. They were catered by Andre's Banquet and Catering. Meanwhile, court documents describe a second E. coli outbreak emerging in St. Charles County, linked to a parent-teacher conference in the Francis Howell School District.
And the big news with this is now we're seeing the same E. coli 0157 involving lettuce in St. Charles County and with a new caterer.
Lange believes these local cases are part of a larger national outbreak linked to an iceberg and romaine lettuce blend from one of the largest farms in the U.S. While the product is no longer on the market, the damage is done. He estimates up to 1,800 people nationwide have been affected, including a St. Charles County woman who fought for her life and survived.
She developed a type of acute kidney failure called hemolytic uremic syndrome, or HUS. And her HUS was severe enough that she had to have 3 blood transfusions.
Officials with the Rockwood and Francis Howell school districts tell us they've been working closely with health officials. He says awareness is critical.
You know, most outbreaks actually go under the radar. It's only occasionally that we actually hear about it from the public health departments.
Food poisoning outbreaks are not new. In the past decade, Lange says there have been 78 lettuce-related outbreaks in the U.S., impacting thousands of people. Most of these outbreaks are traced to contamination from animal feces.
And just hours ago, the St. Charles Health Department told us they've investigated 10 E. coli cases during the month of November. A spokesperson tells us it's too early to know the source, as they stress the importance of safe food storage, handling, and hand washing for restaurants. As for consumers, the FDA assures there's no ongoing risk from lettuce currently on the market, but the investigation into this outbreak continues.